The Tri Dowel from Tox is an all-purpose dowel which is suitable for all construction materials: gypsum plasterboard, aerated concrete, perforated bricks, solid bricks, and concrete. It is a dowel. I push it through the component I'm installing together with the screw. We advise drilling without any hammer function in vertical chord brick to avoid breaking the webs. Now the dowel and the screw are driven into the solid background.
In den festen Untergrund eingeschlagen.
The screw must be selected such that it penetrates at least 5 millimeters into the dowel. As part of the push-through assembly process.
Anschrauben.